The invention of the radio, Guglielmo Marconi. The invention of the radio was realized in Guglielmo Marconi's house while he was continuing his research with the idea of being able to be transmitted over the air using radio waves. Continuing his work in this direction, the Italian inventor discovered a way to send messages from one place to another without wires in 1902. In this way, the inventor, who officially started the use of radio, has achieved a serious commercial success in this regard. In 1894, Marconi managed to ring a doorbell 9 meters from the room he was in, using the electric spark generator made by Hertz, the inventor of the radar, and a wave receiver invented by Branly, and laid the foundations for a great development in which radio waves would be used all over the world. During this period, many people said that they discovered the radio before Marconi, but only Marconi, who had commercial success in this field, was accepted and patented. Popov, Lodge, and Marconi were trying to develop a tool for detecting radio waves, called the Branly tube, invented by Edward Branly. These development efforts, which started in 1890, ended in 1895 with the development of Marconi and Popov unaware of each other. In 1896, for the first time, the name Heinrich Hertz was transmitted intelligibly by Popov using Morse code. In the following years, Lee De Forest and Edwin Howard Armstrong made great innovations in radio technology using circuits in America. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe and like.